just come back from work. Noah's awake. Hubby's awake. He is not well. He woke up at 3 a.m. he said. You are seeing my work bra. This is my work bra, guys. It's comfortable, so this is I have a work bra and a day off bra. Oh my gosh, and I have a work pants as well. Too much information. Yeah, Hubby woke up because he has, what do you call that kind of tummy pain that you have, mahal? If we eat late, he will have a tummy pain. He couldn't sleep. It's so painful. Because we had the cake before I go to work. If you remember from last night's vlog, we had my birthday cake before I go to work, and we had a coffee. So that's already coming up to 9 p.m. and that's too late for him. We have to have a snack around 7:38. So that's why we have to eat our dinner at 5 or 6, up to 6 o'clock. Look at the chair. He keep moving, this boy. Oh God, come on, Noah. This is the one of the perfect one, I think. This one. Look at that. Boiling the kettle. I'm gonna make a coffee for Happy, and I'm gonna start my tea. Sorry about that. All that. And Happy will bring a cake to work, guys, for his lunch. Dun, 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 dun. Coffee, guys. Here's the packed lunch of the husband. We have a pork. This is the pork, guys. Pork sandwich, the roast pork, and a cake. Daddy, you got no drink. There's drink in there, is it? Hi, guys. You know what? Gabriel did his bed on his own without my help or anything. I heard him opening the cabinet, and I said, "What are you trying to do?" He said he's looking for the pillowcase, and he already done his bed. It's all here, look, guys. That's his dirty one. Very good boy. Look, Kuya, you did this by yourself? You're amazing. Give me that one, because that's Noah's Spider-Man. He will be sad without this. That my baby boy changing his beddings. Very good boy, look. We've done everything, guys. At least now, Nak, you know how to change your beddings. You know to shower yourself.
Yeah, I'm growing up.
Hey, baby.
Up in the world.
And you know how to wash the dishes. Well done, baby. You're gonna be like your dad, a good man.
A good man. I'm going up in the world.
He is a good man, your dad, isn't he? Oh, here we go again. 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 Now, what Kuya said? Good boy. Good boy.
No, you won't mess my bed up. Yeah. This time. Yeah. So no jumping on my bed. Yeah. You're not doing it. Yeah. Seriously. Promise? Noah?
Pizza tonight, guys. This is mine, Hawaiian. I'm a pineapple girl. A Hawaiian girl. But I won't be able to finish that. Sorry, baby. We have... That, shall I turn it off? It's like burning. Daddy. Shall I turn it off? Look. It's burning. Guys, look at the fish. This is in the Philippines. Look. It's free diving from Netflix, Dad.
Sometimes it happens where you dive on autopilot. You don't need to think.
That's in the Philippines. Oh my God. Look at the fish.
Another dimension.
It's beautiful.
Another universe.
Oh my goodness.
abot sa dagat. Kung,
Absolutely amazing. Free diving in Netflix, Daddy, yeah? Netflix. Look, that's my Philippine flag, guys. Our Philippine flag.
as simple and instinctive. I mean, like that, don't man. Man, take that trick here, man. Get out of the car, take that shit. Japanese. What?
Look at my Kuya Gabi washing the dishes. Thank you, Kuya. Yeah, you did wash the dishes. Oh, you did change your beddings.
That's real talk. That's in Mexican too, Filipino too. Everything.
These are all the clean ones now, guys. All clean.
These are stereotypes. Filipinos morphed into a fucking stereotype. I don't know what it is. They just morphed into a fucking stereotype. I talked about that in my last episode. Look around here. They're here. Oh, see my mom. My mom's not here tonight.
Because of the boy. Noah just has been shower.
No, that's mine. I'll give it. I'll buy it for.
I end up changing our own bed as well, guys. And then Noah's bedding. So every bed has been changed. We are all upstairs now. Me and my husband are absolutely knackered from working. Anyway, guys, I am gonna end this vlog now for today. I will see you on tomorrow's vlog. I will combine this with another vlog because it's quite short. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, because I upload every day, and please follow me on my Instagram and Facebook page. All my social media are on the description box, and I will see you on tomorrow's vlog. Bye.
And hit that
Bell.
The next day.
Guys, look what Noah's doing. Good morning, everyone. I removed my nails because it's more than a week now. But Noah's playing with it. Bless his heart. Noah, you're so cute.
That one.
Oh, thank you, baby. Give it to mommy. I'll have to clean it because I can reuse it again. What have you got, Noah? Wow.
Close your eyes.
Okay, I'm ready. Wait a minute.
Hello.
Okay.
Open your eyes now.
May have a look. Oh my God! Daddy got you a nice treat again. Wow! How many is in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and all your favorite flavors. And now we got
Lemon.
I'm so excited. Oy.
Do a thing.
Oh my God. My goodness. Hi everyone. I haven't vlogged today. Oh, hi baby. Happy gaan you hot, guys. Let me have a look, baby.
It's 9:40. New era.
This is the first time I vlogged today, guys. I'm not very well. I'm fine, but
Like you're not well at the same time.
yeah. Wow, very nice. I can't show you my hubby. He's not naked, no top.
He's got no
I got
top.
2. So I'm going down now to
And
cook.
I have money.
Where did you get it from?
I'm being paid.
By who?
No,
Oh my
take the
God.
sweet.
Okay.
And look, watch. Go like that. You can get the sweet.
Oh my God, Daddy, he will finish the whole lot in a minute or less than a minute. Look, he keep putting it in the... Oh my God. Nawa? You can do the singing. Oh, you're not on the door? Oh my God, Daddy.
Hoover. And it should be.
How much is this? Oh my goodness.
It's tiny.
Lightweight design, powerful result.
Tiny Hoover.
So how much is this, Dad? Happy boy.
Open it.
Hey? 99 pounds.
No, wait.
You've been trying to get it for ages? For your work. Are the work gonna pay? Is your work gonna... Hey? For your work in your van. To use in your van. So let's say if you're gonna use that in your van, the company will pay or not? Oh no.
If it's good, I'll keep it here because the other one is useless.
Which one? The Dyson?
And we'll just take the Dyson away.
Yeah, but then it's not
It's so tiny.
the Dyson is not gonna help, Daddy. Just bring that to your van.
I wanna hold it. I wanna hold it. I wanna hold it. I wanna hold it. I wanna hold it.
Oh my God. 99 pounds. Originally, how much, babe?
150.
That's a charging station. Look. Daddy, what time is the people coming to get the thing tomorrow? This one.
4:30.
4:30? I got time to empty that tomorrow when I come back.
Do it.
Wow. Wow.
This is the charger. So you put it in there. You go. So you put it in there, and then it starts to charge. Oh my goodness.
So whereabouts do you use it? For cars? For, what's this one, guys? Let's have a look. So that's how you charge it. Lightweight. Oh, perfect for quick cleaning. Easy pet hair pickup. One touch, easy empty. This is good for the car. It's difficult to hoover the car, you know. So that's good. You bring it to your van, babe. Bring it to your van. If it's gonna help you, then that's good. Oh my God, it seems powerful.
In those, the happy birthday was being sucked up.
That's the boys' dinner. Guys, this is the update of the chair. This is the water stain because we wash it with not properly wash, like clean it with the cloth and vanish in a bit of water, but you know it get wet and the water stain won't come off. So all three of the chair has a water stain. I'll show you the others tomorrow when they finish their eating. So I don't know how to remove the water stain. I'll have to go on a website, guys, and have a look. It's not nice with the... Good boy. Yummy, kuya? Why you have the Coke of Dad? That's your drink.
Yeah, I've been drinking this.
Oh, very, very small. You want some more?
I drank all of them.
Would you like some more?
No, thanks.
Guys, here is my food. It's an Iceland curry. You must have seen it on Iceland Hall. This is, Daddy, madras. Beef madras. Beef madras. It's, how much is this now, lovey?
159.
I got loads of rice, guys. I did not eat all day. Here, I'll show you. I did not eat all day only. I fed the kids twice today. Breakfast and lunch. So, this is hubby's buttered chicken. Madras. And this is what the boys had. There are days we have an easy dinner. I think I told you before. Yeah. So, I'm going to work tonight. I'm starving. I didn't eat all day, guys.
Oh no, what?
I feel like I just want to sleep all day today. So, yeah, feed the kids twice, breakfast and lunch, and I gave them a biscuit. Maybe an hour before hubby come home. Yeah, I don't want them to have a snack really, or else Noah will not eat well on dinner time. So yes, I'm just waiting for hubby's in the microwave now. Guys, this is hubby's food. Ay, Daddy, we have a popodoms.
Ay,
You bought something.
are they? They're in here.
Because you said the popodoms was so expensive and you have to buy, yeah, the... There. Popodoms. We have a mango chutney. It was from a sale, this one, guys. We had it ages ago, but it's not expiring yet. Till next month. That's buttered chicken. You okay, baby? You gonna choose your pudding? No. Ah, no? Oh, he went for a mango. Wow. Oh, close it, baby. Well done. Oh! Noah, are you handsome? Hey? Ah, you're handsome boy. Ay! Handsome boy, oh. We're gonna test this, guys. Huh? And let's show how to empty it, my love, please. Ah. Okay. It's perfect for a car, isn't it? Very powerful.
Look, look.
Where's my kiss then if you love mommy? Where? On my cheek then? Kiss me then. Oy, love you so much. Yes, baby. Wow. Wow. Yes. Oh my God.
Mommy?
Yeah. Thank you for watching, everyone. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.
Noah.
Please subscribe, like this video, and share. And I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye.